We are going to see computer programming in C++ for 3rd BSc Physics students. Topic expressions and their types. Already we have seen in Unit 1 tokens, keywords, identifiers, constants, declaration of variables, data types and operators in C++. Today we are going to see expressions and their types. An expression is a combination of operators, constants and variables. It may also include function call with return values. An expression may consist of one or more operands and zero or more operators to produce a value. There are so many types of expressions. Here we are going to see arithmetic expression, relational expression, logical expression, constant expressions, integral expressions, float expressions, pointer expressions, bitwise expressions. First one, arithmetic expression. Expression in which arithmetic operators are used or called as arithmetic expression. Example, a plus b is equal to 5. X minus z is equal to 0. A asterisk b is equal to 17. Like that, any arithmetic operators are used in an expression means then we used to call that expression as arithmetic expression. The next one, relational expression. An expression in which relational operators are used or called as relational expression. Relational operators are used to compare values. All the expressions evaluates from left to right. There are 6 relational operators in C++. Already we have seen it in the last topic, operators in C++, that is greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, modulus or equal to. These operators evaluates results true or false. False statement represents 0 and true statement represent 1. The next one, logical expressions. So here we can assume variable a holds 1 and variable b holds 0. That is a and b is false, or a or b is true, and not of a and b is also true. There are 3 logical operators, and or these two both are binary operator and not is a unary operator. More than one relational expression are combined by using logical operators. The expression will evaluate from left to right if more than one relational expression are used. Like relational expression, here also left to right operation. Already we have seen in logical operators topic, and, or, and not. The same thing is used in logical expression also. Next one, constant expression. Constant expression consists of only constant values. Like here we have taken 15, 13 plus 23 slash 3, y. Anything, if we are taking it as a constant value means then we used to call it as a constant expression. The next one, integral expression. Integral expressions are those which produce integer results after implementing all the automatic and explicit type of conversions, like a asterisk b minus 3 x asterisk j, or we can take any other integral expressions like this. The next one, float expression. Float expressions are those which after all conversions produce floating point results. That is like decimal point, 10.97, 15.32, 17.1. So x plus y is an expression. That value gives the floating point result. The next one, pointer expressions. Pointer expressions produce address values. And pointer, pointer plus 1. In data types we have seen about pointers. The same pointers we can represent one thing to represent in the other values. It was bitwise expression. Bitwise expressions are used to manipulate data at bit level. They are basically used for testing or shifting bits. So here is insertion operator 3 means it shift 3 bit position to left, while using exertion operator means it shift 2 bit position to the right. So shift operators are often used for multiplication and division by pos of 2. Special assignment expressions. There are 3 special assignment expressions here: chained assignment, embedded assignment, compound assignment. Chained assignment means x is equal to y is equal to 10. You have to write it in bracket. That the meaning is x and y is equal to 10. First 10 is assigned to y and then it is assigned to x. That is, which one is given in bracket first, and that value is assigned, and after that the outside variable value is assigned. A change statement cannot be used to initialize variables at the time of declaration. Here, for instance, the statement float a is equal to b is equal to 12.34 is illegal. This may be written as float a is equal to 12.34 and b is equal to 12.34. This is called as chained assignment. The next one, embedded assignment. X is equal to, within the bracket you have to write y is equal to some value. Here we are taking it as 50. Y is equal to 50 plus 10. The y is equal to 15 is an assignment expression known as embedded assignment. Here the value 50 is assigned to y, and then the result is 50 plus 10 is equal to 60. That value is equal to x. So x is equal to 60 and y is equal to 50. This statement is identical to y is equal to 50 and x is equal to y plus 10. Y plus 10 means that is 50 plus 10 here, then that x value is equal to 60. That is called as embedded assignment. The next one is compound assignment. Compound assignment operator is a combination of the assignment operator with the binary arithmetic operator. For example, the simple assignment statement x is equal to x plus 10 may be written as x plus or equal to 10. The operator plus or equal to is known as compound assignment operator, or we can also call it as shorthand assignment operator. The general form of the compound assignment operator is variable 1 on the operand which is equal to variable 2. That OP is a binary arithmetic operator. This means that variable 1 is equal to variable 1, that value, and it is equal to variable 2. Okay, so we have seen expressions in this class. So we have finished data types, operators, and then expressions in C++. Thank you.